morning. You are catching me right after I've woken up, so there's no makeup or anything. I'm editing the vlog from yesterday, which I still haven't put up. I'm trying to get as much done. It's about 7:15 right now. We have an eye doctor appointment for the kids today, which is we need to be there at 10. So I'm getting a couple things done back here so that they're ready. I have a few packages that need to go out today, so I'm getting all of that ready so that when I get back from the doctor's, or the eye doctor for the kids, I can get those out before the post office closes. So, and unfortunately I'm going to have to wear this all day now, even after 2 days ago me talking about how I need to wear it and be a responsible person to my body to avoid a back injury. Yesterday I didn't wear this for a couple hours while I was working, and I am paying for it this morning. So now there's the muscle inside my shoulder blades, I think it's called your rhomboid muscle. It will hurt badly when I have these flare-ups. So that's what this, it still hurts a little bit, but it doesn't hurt as bad when I wear this, and it's pretty uncomfortable if I don't have this on, and I would rather not be that uncomfortable when I'm already going to be in a doctor's office with our 2 children. I'd rather focus on getting us through that appointment and getting back home so I can get back to work. Gonna make it. We have so many uses for red sauce. So yeah. That's part of supper taken care of, so thank you so much, Willa, for sending that over. We are back. It is 12:30. Everything went fine. The kids picked out their new glasses, and as soon as we got back I made a cup of coffee and I'm back here getting ready to work. I had a couple admin things to do, and now I'm going to hop back over to the sculpting table, sculpt for a couple hours, and then hop back over to this table and ship some orders, the orders I mentioned from this morning that need to go out. So yeah, and then we'll call it a day after that. So this is what I put in my stir-fry sauce. A little bit of vinegar, some chili garlic, soy sauce, and just white sugar. And it's really good.